come forward.
Kenneth Kaunda bekatsandva abantu labaningi kulelive kanti futhi bekangumngane wamengameli waphambilini Nelson Mandela kungako lelive libeke kuthi kuzilwe emalanga lalishumi.
In remembrance of this great leader who made such a contribution to our freedom, we've decided to declare a period of mourning for 10 days in his memory, and that for the 10-day period, our national flag will fly at half-mast.
Mengameli waphambilini lowachitha sikhathi sakhe ekudzingisweni eZambia waphinza wasebena namengameli we-ANC waphambilini o-R Tambo. Libengumngane waKaunda uthi Kaunda udlale indima lenkulu enkululekweni yalelive.
President Kaunda, we count him as one of the architects of a democratic South Africa.
Leader, very humble, a Christian, but who fought against oppression and colonization and played a major role in helping many of us to be free.
Lona bengumengameli we-IFP inkosi Mangosuthu Buthelezi lowati Kaunda sikhathi lesidze uncome inzima layidlala emzabalazweni walelive ngesikhathi lisalwela inkhululeko. Buthelezi uthi Kaunda ungulomunye walabo labadlala inzima ekutheni kugcine kuba nenhlangano ye-IFP ngeminyaka yama-70s njengobe tikushikashiwe setiphocelekile ukuthi tiye ekudzingisweni.
During that visit to him in 1974, he advised me to found a membership-based organization in order to reignite political mobilization in South Africa soil.
SABC ichaze lomholi njengaloyo bekasibonela kubaholi nakubantfu phaca.
He played a very prominent role and also looked after our top leaders, including President Oliver Tambo, to make sure that his issues were attended to urgently all the time.
Lenye inhlangano lapho Kaunda abenemthela khona inhlangano ye-EFF. Le nhlangano yithi udlale kakhulu inzima ekufundziseni abantu balela live.
He played a very important role in terms of educating his nation because he understood that in the world that was leading, he needed as many people as possible who have got certified education to understand the dynamics of the world.
Udumala ngikushona kwaKaunda njengoba emchaze njengesikhondla khondla umekhuti kanye nesishikashiki senkhululeko.